In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your Instagram profile URL on mobile and desktop. This is the link you can share with friends, add to your website or email signature, or use anywhere someone needs a direct path to your Instagram profile. Your profile URL always follows the same format. https://www.instagram.com, your username. Just replace your username with your actual handle and you're set. Let's start on the Instagram mobile app for Android or iOS. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Just below your bio, look for the Share Profile button. If you don't see it, tap the three dots at the top and choose Share Profile. A menu will appear with options that often include a QR code. From there, select Copy Link or Copy Profile URL. Instagram will copy your profile link to your clipboard automatically. You can now paste it into a message, an email, or anywhere you need by pressing and holding in a text field and choosing Paste. If you see slightly different wording depending on your device or app version, don't worry, the function is the same. Now, here's how to do it from a browser on your phone or computer. Go to Instagram.com in Chrome, Safari, or any modern browser and log in. Click or tap your profile icon. On desktop, it's usually in the top right, while on mobile web, it can appear at the bottom left or top right, depending on the layout. Once your profile page is open, look at the address bar. You'll see the full URL, which looks like https://www.instagram.com, your username / highlight that entire address and copy it. That's your shareable profile link, ready to paste wherever you need it. If you notice extra characters after your username, you can remove them so it ends cleanly with a slash. If you ever don't have the app or browser handy, you can construct the link manually. Take your exact Instagram username and place it at the end of Instagram.com / like this, Instagram.com / your username / You don't need the @ symbol and capitalization doesn't matter. Usernames can include periods and underscores, so make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your profile. One quick note about privacy: the link itself is public and will work even if your account is private. Visitors will see your profile page, but your posts and stories will remain hidden unless they're approved followers. And that's it. You now know how to grab your Instagram profile URL from the app, from a browser, or by building it yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.